Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anda Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida. Here at Malescu Law, we specialize in serving Florida companies and foreign companies and investors in the area of business, corporate, and immigration law. If you need to contact us, you have our information in this video and below this video. Today, we are going to speak about what you need to include in your application for E2 visa renewal or extension. So, if you are going to file an E2 visa renewal or extension directly with USCIS while you are in the United States, or you decide to file for renewal or extension with the U.S. consulate or embassy abroad, then you will need to submit an E2 application package for renewal that is similar to the package you have submitted initially when you obtained your E2 visa first. Keep in mind that some U.S. consulates and embassies abroad have an expedite process for an E2 visa renewal, and you should check with them to see what this process is. Otherwise, most embassies require that you submit complete package for an E2 visa renewal that must include a number of documents. The most important information to include with your E2 renewal is, first, you must show that the E2 business has created jobs in the United States and hired US workers. The business plan submitted initially with your E2 application describes in detail the hiring plan of the company and what positions would the E2 business create. If you have successfully followed through with your business plan and your hiring needs, then you can show that you have successfully met the requirements for an E2 renewal. If, however, you have fallen short of the business plan and hired less workers than initially projected, then you must show how you have met successfully your E2 renewal requirements and the viability of the business and the future hiring plan. Second, you must provide updated financials and an updated E2 business plan. The immigration officer will look at the revenue targets and the marketing and sales targets and also any changes to the business operation. In other words, the immigration officer will inquire if you have met your revenue targets as initially projected in your E2 business plan. If you have not met the revenue targets you projected, then you must show how is the business still viable and the hiring plans of the company. With respect to the marketing and sales targets, the immigration officer will inquire whether you have followed through with your marketing and sales strategy and what were the results of your strategy and any changes you plan to make with your sales and marketing strategy in order to achieve your revenue targets and create jobs and hire US workers. And finally, the immigration officer will also look into any changes to the business operations of the E2 business. If the E2 business is operating in the same area and there are very little changes to the business, then likely there are not going to be any issues with the immigration officer. However, if the business operations have substantially changed to the point that it appears that is a different business model, then the immigration officer might consider the company to be a different company and require a first-time investor initial E-2 application. Third, you must show that the E2 business is real and operating. In other words, you must show the immigration officer and provide them with evidence of updated state, federal, county licenses, updated client list, future contracts, any updated promotional materials and advertisements, annual reports, and any other documents that can show the immigration officer that the business is in fact running. Fourth, you must provide an updated ownership structure of the E2 business. In other words, you must show the immigration officer and provide evidence to show the current ownership structure of the E2 business and that the E2 business remains compliant with respect to citizenship of the owner with the E2 visa requirements. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to contact us, you have our information in this video. We will see you soon. Bye.